In response to the climate crisis, forward-thinking companies are taking decisive action, leading the charge in our collective effort to reduce emissions by 55% by 2030.
Ludovica, Mattia, our clients are asking for more sustainable products. We must be prepared for mandatory sustainability reporting and eco-design regulations. So we need now a solution that quickly guides our decision, that can be seamlessly integrated into our processes. The solution should also support us in the preparation of certifications, reports, and labels.
While recognizing their role in supporting a more sustainable way of living, they must balance this commitment with economic viability, navigating the challenges of sustainable practices without compromising operational stability. For companies, this means acquiring production data, modeling products and processes, creating reporting systems. Even for firms already embarked on the path towards sustainability, this requires resources, time, and competences. But
Ludovica, I may have found a solution for us. GRETA. We are testing it directly in our technical office without external supports.
GRETA is a life cycle assessment platform that measures the sustainability and circularity performances of products and processes in industrial contexts.
Look, with GRETA, I can quickly sketch product and processes and easily analyze our impacts.
GRETA empowers designers to create and compare diverse product scenarios, maximizing limited data in early design stages. With GRETA, you can manage comprehensive sustainability profiles to identify optimal eco-friendly and cost-effective solutions.
Reporting now is a breeze for us. We actually enjoy it. Most of the data are retrieved automatically and report is ready in a few clicks, easy to be repeated every year.
Welcome to the training on LCA GRETA. To access GRETA, you need to log in. Each user has a personal profile with exclusive access to their projects. The landing page presents a list of created projects. By selecting one of them, you access the list of scenarios available for that project. Selecting a scenario allows you to view the modeled life cycle phases and the BOM, bill of materials, structure or processes within it. Within each modeled phase and process, you can customize the inventory data. Inventory data can be entered manually in the appropriate fields, selected from already existing alternatives, as in the case of materials, or retrieved automatically from a digital twin or connected platform via the dedicated connection button. The user can navigate the bill of materials structure on the left menu and modify the underlying production parameters, such as energy mix, raw materials, and economic data, for each item or process according to their needs. After entering all the necessary data, you can perform the assessment by clicking the dedicated button at the top right. The assessment results are displayed, divided by life cycle phases, with the option to view multiple bar charts. You can focus on each indicator simply by hovering the mouse over it, or you can switch to a tabular view to see all indicators organized neatly. For each calculated indicator, you can view the contribution tree. Just select the life cycle phase, then the indicator, and expand the component or product of interest to see the specific contribution, divided by component and input, facilitating the identification of hotspots. To analyze the contribution of each process or single component, click on the corresponding bar chart and expand it. This allows you to delve deeper into the impact of each element on the final result. By selecting the process or product element modeled, it is possible to expand it and see all contributions in detail. To generate a sustainability report containing all relevant data from the assessment, graphs, and custom parameters, click on the button at the top right. The report is a simple and understandable way to represent the entire analysis performed. To access the comparison function, go to the dedicated section from the menu on the left and select the two projects to compare. After selecting the projects and scenarios, you can customize the processes with specific inputs, modify alternatives between the various scenarios, such as the energy mix or the raw materials used. The calculation takes place in real time, allowing you to visualize the comparison of indicators in a radar chart. You can also add a third and fourth scenario to the comparison using the menu on the right. A tabular view of the indicators is also available for each scenario, with the best scenario highlighted in green, making it easy to identify the most sustainable option. To generate the final report, click again on the button at the top right. You can download it in PDF format, obtaining a detailed documentation of your analysis. With GRETA, compliance with GHG protocol or other relevant standards becomes easy. Creating a label or reporting to your board is just as fast as a click. GRETA is not just a tool, but a partner in our mission towards sustainability. With GRETA, we transform every step of the production process into an opportunity to do better for our planet.